Good morning, dear students. This is Dr. Radhika. In this section, I am going to give you clarity regarding the travel agency business. So, before explaining about the travel agency business, you need to understand the terms like tourism, travel, and excursion. When we consider our day to day life, we all are traveling from one place to another. So, travel is actually the movement of people between relatively distant geographical locations, and we all are traveling from our home to our workplace, our colleges, schools, etc. So all these can be considered as travel, but a travel to be considered as tourism, it needs to satisfy two conditions. The first condition is that it should include staying at least 24 hours and not connected with any remunerated activity. So for a travel is to be considered as tourism, it needs to be satisfy these two conditions. So tourism is the movement of people from one place to another other than his usual place of residence for staying at least 24 hours, and it should not result in the establishment of permanent residence and not connected with any remunerated activity. So all tourism activity involves travel, but all travel are not tourism. Then the third term, excursion, it is actually a kind of travel. It is activity of a temporary visitor staying less than 24 hours. So if we are visiting a particular destination for less than 24 hours, then it can be considered as excursion. Next is, we'll move on to the travel agency. Travel agency is an intermediary in the travel trade business. So we all are using the services of travel agency in our day-to-day life for the arrangement of different travel services. So the travel agency is actually linking customers with the service providers, and they actually help the travelers by providing the best possible travel arrangements. They offer advices on destinations. They make travel arrangements like transportation facilities, booking of hotel accommodation, then car rental facilities, and many more. And if we are taking international travel, they are actually providing informations regarding international destinations, informations regarding custom regulations, arrangements of travel documents like passport, visa, certificate of vaccinations, and also currency exchange services, etc. So they are actually providing different varieties of travel related services to the customers. So when we consider the definition of travel agency, a travel agency is a middleman, a business or a person selling the travel industry's individual parts or combination of the parts to the consumer. According to Government of India, a travel agent or agency is the one who makes arrangements of tickets for travel by air, rail, ship, passport, visa, etc. It may also arrange accommodation, tours, entertainment, and other tourism related services. So next, we will look the importance of travel agency. As you know, the travel agency actually providing a varieties of travel services. They are providing informations regarding destination. They are arranging different transportation facilities like road, air, rail, etc. They are actually booking the tickets for air transportation, rail, etc. And they are also supporting the international travelers by giving a variety of services and all. So today, when we consider the services of travel agency, it has been recognized as a vital component of travel and tourism and has become an integral part of tourism industry. They account for more than 90% of international and 70% of domestic tourist traffic. But when we consider the travel agency business at this present situations, because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation, these the tourism industry is actually in a standstill position. And next is regarding why the people are using the services of travel agent. So as you know, when we are booking the transportation services through travel agents, they are actually providing the services at a price consideration, and they are actually providing a variety of informations regarding all these services. So the travel agency actually help to get the most value of our money, and they provides objective opinions also. They assures the highest quality accommodations and other services, and they are they are also help us to ensure a trouble free trip. So by paying a particular fees, we can actually ensure that the travel agency actually providing us a variety of services and all. So let's have a look at the advantages of travel agent. As we have already mentioned, travel agent has knowledge of a geographically diverse marketplace. They provides best travel information. They actually save the customer's time by providing the right product mix, and the agent can recommend price considerations because they are actually booking the services. They are actually taking the services from the service providers in a bulk way, so they recommend for price considerations. They have the negotiation capacity with the service providers, so they will arrange the services with the recommendations of price considerations. And they are actually using this global distribution system to make reservations, though. So they are providing up to date informations, and they are providing services in a prompt way. And the disadvantages of using travel agent is that they are actually asking for a service charge, so we have to pay additional service charge for this for their services. And some agent may not have current informations and prices, and some of them are actually using unethical trade practices. So in some cases, due to unethical practices and all, customer may find some difficulties, and some travel agent may not work in a timely manner. So these are the major drawbacks of travel agent. So while selecting the travel agent, you need to select a good travel agent which will provide you prompt and right services. And when we consider the tourism industry, the travel agency business has become an inevitable part of tourism industry, and this is because of the following reason. Because the travel agency actually help the government to promote inbound tourism and outbound tourism. Inbound tourism is that with respect to India, inbound tourism means when the foreigners are coming to India, we are actually getting a lot of foreign exchange earnings and all. So the travel agency help to promote inbound tourism. They are actually making travel services for the foreign tourists coming to India. And India, about 50% of the established travel companies handle foreign tourists. So they are actually help to promote inbound tourism. And when Indians are going outside to Greece, East Asia, USA, Egypt, etc., the travel agencies are actually providing outbound tourism facilities also. So the travel agencies help to promote inbound tourism and outbound tourism. And they also help to promote domestic tourism. Domestic tourism means the travel within India. They are providing a number of travel packages and travel services to the domestic tourists in India. And these services of travel agency actually creates a number of employment opportunities. And because of the development of inbound tourism, they are actually helping the government to earn more for currency, foreign currency. And it is actually a major factor on India's balance of payment position. So it helps the government to earn more foreign currency. And another important point is that the travel agency services help to promote the destination. Destination means the travel agencies are keep on making researches and all for the development of new product and all. So they are actually help the government to promote new destinations. So destination development is actually done by the travel agencies. For example, when we consider the product monsoon tourism in Kerala, and also the backwater tourism in Kerala, these are actually promoted by the travel agencies. So destination promotion is actually done with the help of the travel agency. So in conclusion, we can conclude that the travel agency is actually a middleman which offers best possible travel information to the tourist. They offer advice on destinations, they arrange all sort of travel arrangements, they also help to book the accommodation facilities and all, and they advise the travelers about their destinations, such as the weather conditions, and the customs regarding exhibitions and events at the destinations, etc. And for international travel also, they are providing a number of travel services to them, and they account for more than 90 percentage of international and 70 percentage of tourist traffic is actually because of the services of travel agency. And the government is earning a lot of foreign currency through the services of travel agency. And we can conclude that the development of tourism is actually done by the services of travel agencies, because the travel agencies are actually working as a pillar for the development of tourism in India. They are actually promoting different destinations, different tourism packages, and they are actually help the government to promote inbound tourism, etc. So, travel agency business has become an integral part of the tourism industry in India. Thank you.